Hello to all my YouTube subscribers. This is the official channel of the Science Hub Mutual Aid. In this video, we are going to show you how to use EndNote. And this will be the second part of the EndNote tutorials. How to manage literature. Please click on the notification bell and subscribe. Okay. In the last video, we've learned how to import the literature we want into EndNote. Let's move on to the next element. Literature management. First, literature grouping. After importing the literature successfully, we can categorize and manage the literatures. There are many options under my library on the left side, among which my groups is used for grouping management. Right-click and 6 options appear. Click Create Group Set. To create a new large first-level folder, click Rename Group Set to change it to the name we want. Click Delete Group Set to delete the folder. Select the corresponding group set, right-click Create Group to create different types of secondary files under this primary file. EndNote can only create secondary files at most. It cannot create a third-level file under the secondary file. Second, literature categorization. Through the above operation, we can create multiple primary and secondary groups. Subsequently, you can expand the classification of the imported documents according to the theme. You can hold down the Shift key and select a batch of files consecutively, or hold down the Control key to select files in a discontinuous manner, and then drag and drop files to categorize them. Third, literature deletion. Sometimes, we will import literature from different databases on the same research topic, which involves the problem of literature duplication. How to delete duplicate documents. First, let's select all the documents. We have 5 documents here. And then click on the upper library. Find duplicates. Then pop up an interface. Click Cancel. A duplicate documents folder will appear in the left column. Finding out duplicates in all references. For example, if there are 2 documents in the folder, it means that one document is duplicated, and the document with gray shading is the duplicate document. Right mouse click. You can select all the duplicate documents automatically. You can choose Move References to Trash to delete trash. And then all that retained in the all references are only the non-duplicated literature. Fourth, literature management. The position of the attribute column can be moved by dragging, and you can click them to sort the documents. For example, according to the year. The upper attribute bar can be customized. Just click the right mouse button in the corresponding place to tick. For examples, check the new rating attribute column. You can asterisk the file to show its importance. Check the new read or unread status to add a dot. The solid dot indicates that the document is not read, and the document name is bolded. After reading the document, you can click on the dot. Then it will become a hollow dot, and the document name will be removed from the bolded status. That's all of this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.